Welcome everybody. Today we will be starting Lambda function, which is a part of advanced Python topics. So without any further ado, let's begin. A disclaimer here. If you do not know anything about Python or its basic topics, then you must know its basics before going to its advanced topics. And if you need to learn the basic topics from beginning to intermediate level, then try out my book from the description. It's very cheap and it will be in your budget. So you must be asking, why do we need them when we have a regular function? So the need is because they are short, they come handy, they are really powerful, and they are just one line functions. So let's start with a quick example. So we will be start by making a multiplier function which will multiply two numbers, that's all. But before that, let's see its syntax. So here we will be assigning it to a variable to store its values if you want to use them, and then we will write lambda, then its arguments or parameters or variables, anything you can say. And then comes the expression where we will be using these parameters to work on our calculations or to use them for our project. Let me just write here where. Now let's make a function lambda. Argument will be a and b, and it will just return a times b. It's okay. Now let's print x of 4,5, and it's working fine. As you can see, it's showing 20. Now it was simple, but how can we use it in another way with the function? So let's start by making a function. So we'll call it multiplier, and here I just write the first number. Let's call it n1, and what this does is we will write function lambda. It will take n2 as a parameter, and we'll do n1 times n2, and this will do the work. Now let's just make our object obj or obito. I like anime, that's why I will use this. And wait a minute, multiplier, and I will give it a value of 4, and then I will use print. So what we will now do is obito, and then we will give it a value. So what this does is here the 4 value will goes to n2, and the obito function, sorry, the obito object will get this value 11, and this will be n1. So let me just write. So this is about lambda function. It's just simple as that. It's just a single line function. It's very powerful. It can replace your functions. That's all. So if you have liked my content, then this is our channel. I have stopped making machine learning content because my papers are going on, so no worries. So I will be making this machine learning content in the further videos. So I will be taking a 2 to 3 months of gap. So sorry about that, and see you later.